flag law would have stopped this Louisville this week. Tell me what red flag law would have stopped the Nashville shooter. You okay with the government knocking on your door and confiscating your guns? Don't you love it when they always say, we're not trying to take away your guns? What the heck do you think a red flag law does? It literally takes away Americans' guns. Confiscation. 1-800-655-MIKE. Welcome aboard. It's Wednesday. We're in the ReliefFactor.com studios. Got a lot of territory to cover today, a lot of breaking news. We're proud of the brand new podcast that we've introduced called No Interruptions, the No Interruptions podcast. A good debate about abortion in this country and what it means in elections. Two voices that debated the issue with zero interruptions. Judging by some of the numbers, a lot of you are enjoying it. It's the first Mike Gallagher Show No Interruptions podcast. To check it out, it's not very long, but it's a good back and forth and a good exchange. It's at MikeOnline.com or wherever you download your podcasts. Go to Apple or Spotify or anywhere you get your podcasts. Just type in the Mike Gallagher Show and find the No Interruptions podcast. The inaugural episode launched this morning at 6 a.m. We're pretty proud of it. Check it out, MikeOnline.com or wherever you get your podcasts. The Mike Gallagher Show No Interruptions podcast. You're going to like this new me, this new non-interruptive Gallagher. The big mouth isn't quite as big as normal when I'm doing this podcast. I kind of like it. I feel like an NPR host a little bit, but it wasn't boring. It was actually a pretty good exchange. It's a very good exchange. Check it out, MikeOnline.com, or download the podcast today, the Mike Gallagher Show No Interruptions podcast. Now, I can't promise I won't interrupt you, but give it a shot. I want to put your voice front and center. What do you make of the red flag law that Governor Bill Lee, the Republican governor of Tennessee, is advocating for? Are you on board with that? 1-800-655-MIKE. Join us.
Journalist James Rosen reveals never-before-reported details of a great Supreme Court justice in his biography, Scalia: Rise to Greatness. New from Literary Publishing.